It's official, I'm now a writer. Well, I've at least published my first article on a platform called Medium. If you haven't heard of Medium, it's a way that you can self-publish your articles and earn money. I'm not earning any money yet, but I would love it if you followed me over on Medium. I'm trying to get to 100 followers. The first article I published is 3 Steps to Passive Income on YouTube. It's my strategy for building multiple channels that are now monetized on YouTube, finding your niche, no matter how narrow that is, using Google and YouTube autocomplete search results to find video ideas, and then posting 1 to 2 times a week. I outline this all in the article, so if you're interested in that or any other YouTube, business, and design content, I'm gonna be posting these articles over on Medium. The reason that I'm doing this is because I've always struggled creating a script for my videos. Now with tutorials and things like that, I don't really need a script so much. I pretty much learn what I need to learn, sit down and walk through it with you. But with some of the videos I wanna create on growing a YouTube channel, those videos require a little bit more thought and a little bit more outlining. And I'm terrible at doing it, but being able to write articles on Medium is gonna help me create basically a scripted outline article that I can then follow to create videos on that other channel. So that's my plan for now, is to be writing up these articles for me early in the morning and then posting them. You guys can follow me on there, read the articles, get that information, and I'm also going to then turn those into videos that I'll post on my Spencer Martin YouTube channel. That's still in the early stages, but the articles are starting to get written. So if you wanna go follow me and see what I post over on Medium, whether you're a member over there or not, I do think you get free articles a month anyway, so maybe you can read mine if that's your free article choice of the month. 3 Steps to Earn Passive Income on YouTube. Go check that out right now. Hit that follow button on Medium. I appreciate you guys, and I'll be back before you know it.